If you provide manpower services and you made a invoices stock itemized, you would notice that your stock item is going to be show in negative. If you provide services, so you don't need to make invoices in stock item wise, you have to make the invoice in as a voucher mode or accounting voucher mode. So I'm going to tell you in this video if you are provides manpower services, so how you are going to make the invoices accounting or as voucher type. Namaste dosto. Hello friends, this is Suman Sharma. You are watching Suman Education Hub English. In today's video, I am going to tell you manpower accounting in Telegram. So before starting video and before moving into the video, it's my personal request to all of you, please like, share and subscribe to my channel so that channel can be grow and I can make more and more videos related accounts. When you make services sale invoice item wise, so how it will make impact in balance sheet. Let me first record this entry through item wise so that I can show you. So from gateway of tele we will press V, and from the right hand side we will select sales voucher, and by pressing F2 you can select the date. By pressing Ctrl C we will create here our buyers ledger who buy this manpower services by us. So here I'm going to create a manpower company. You can create any of your buyers company ledger over here under sundry debtors. Fill all the information related company like address, pin code number, state, GST number. Every detail you have to fill correctly, and by pressing Ctrl A you can save the ledger. By pressing Ctrl C we will create a sales ledger under sales account. If you are going to record services sale entry through a stock item wise, so you need to create a sales ledger. By pressing Ctrl C we will create here manpower stock item, and by pressing Ctrl C we will create here you can create pieces or unit number in numbers, and fill the SSC code of the manpower services. Under taxability, select taxable and 18% tax rate will be applied over here, and save the ledger. And here you can put, let's suppose you sell 10 manpower at the rate of 10,000 each, and by pressing Ctrl C we will create here taxation ledger output IGST at the rate of 18%, and the under group duties and taxes. As because you are going to create IGST, so that's why we will select here integrated tax option and save this, accept this screen. So this is how finally we will generate manpower sales invoice stock wise. After making this invoice, let me show you from gateway of tele we will press yes, and now you can see stock summary has been opened, and you can see there is a showing manpower stock which is showing under minus 10,000, as because we did not purchase these services, only we sell these services, that's why tally is showing minus 10 quantity. So from gateway of tally we will press S, and from the right hand side select change voucher and select accounting invoice. If you are selling manpower services or services you sell, so you need to record this entry under sales under accounting voucher. By pressing Ctrl C we will create manpower services which we are going to sell to the party, and group will be selected indirect income, as because you are going to sell this, and indirectly this is indirectly income for your business. Under nature of transaction select not applicable if you are selling this integrated, and 18% tax rate will be applied over here. Now you can see there is showing ledger description. So in this option you can mention manpower quantity, how much manpower you are going to provide, and how much, if you want to mention over your gender wise, so you can mention how much female manpower you are going to provide, how much manpower you are going to provide here. So female male you can mention the quantity. If this option is not showing ledger description, so from the right hand side select the click on the configure option, and show more configuration. Mark this option yes, so that all the option will be appear on the screen. Now you can see there is a provide additional description for ledger. Mark this option as, so this description option will be open and you can use this option. Let's suppose you provide total 5 number of manpower at the rate of 10,000 to total 50,000 and you have to apply taxes. So now you can see total invoice value, it's 59,000 including GST. So this is how you have to make manpower services sale entry. So from Gateway of Tele, we will press balance sheet, and under assets, you can see under current assets, you can see the invoices is showing which just we have made. And under when you will be click on opening stock, you can see the entry is showing over here which we have recorded as a stock item. So I'm going to delete this entry as because whenever we are going to sell services invoice, we don't need to record that entry as a stock item. So that's why I'm going to delete this entry. So the main entry is 59,000. If you are providing this entry, so under section TDS 194C, this is a contractual basis services. If you provides manpower services to the company, so company will be deduct TDS at the rate of 2% if you are a firm, at the rate of 1% if you are an individual. Here we are a firm, so party will be deduct 1000 TDS on our taxable amount. Taxable amount it's 50,000 and TDS will be deducted on taxable amount. So taxable amount it's 50,000. So 2% TDS will be 1,000. So 1,000 TDS party will be deduct and then they will make the remaining payment to our bank. So by pressing Control C, I'm going to record the receipt entry. So total amount it's 59,000. So party will be deduct 1,000 and uh, they will make 58,000 payment to us. So from the gateway of tele, press B, and from the right hand side you have to select receipt voucher. Party will be credited at the rate of 58,000 and our bank will be debited with 58,000. So this is the receipt entry. So by pressing Ctrl C, if bank ledger is not created, so you can create your bank ledger under bank account. So this is how we can record receipt, payment receipt entry. So let me open party ledger from gateway of Delhi, press DAL, and I'm going to open manpower services ledger over here. Now you can see by mistakenly I have record receipt entry in journal voucher. So let me change the voucher name. I'm going to change, I have changed receipt voucher. Now you can see we have sold 59,000 and received 58,000. 1,000 is still showing in debit. So here I'm going to record the TDS receivable entry. So from the gateway of tally, we will press B and journal voucher select party will be credited at the rate of 1,000 and TDS receivable ledger will be created under group current assets. So TDS ledger will be debited. So this is how you can maintain your manpower services. You can search my channel on Google or on YouTube by searching Suman Education Hub English. You will get my channel over there and you will get all the videos related accounts over there. I wish this video help you out. If this video will help you out, so please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Keep watching.